These things are picked up automatically in Spring. You don't have to do anything special. You don't have to tell Spring to look at these things. It just happens for you on the fly. And this is what this looks like. So here we have a declaration that we're writing in our own code base, public at interface my service. So we're defining an annotation at my service. We see that it's annotated with a few things from the JDK here. So we have at retention, telling Java where this annotation can be used. And then we see a few different annotations from Spring. So we see service, scope, and transactional. Basically, what we're defining here is a request scoped transactional service. And we're combining all three of these annotations into one custom annotation that we can then use across our code base, thereby reducing boilerplate code. So then in our book admin service, for example, we could just annotate that with at my service. And these things are all taken into consideration by Spring out of the box. And we'll see in 4.0 how that actually gets even more advanced. So next up, some of the themes in Spring 4.0, the main themes. First and foremost, one of the goals is to make sure that Spring is ready for new application architecture, so what we consider modern in 2014. For example, instead of having a full-blown Java EE application server, you might want to have an embedded web server, maybe embedded Tomcat or Jetty. You might see that used, for example, in Spring Boot. And also non-traditional data stores, so not just SQL, maybe some NoSQL, some graph databases, et cetera. Beyond that, you might be looking at some lightweight messaging options or even WebSocket-style architectures, and even custom asynchronous processing with some convenient APIs. So if you're looking at some more reactive type implementations these days and some big data crunching. To make some of that possible, we have some new baselines. So we're now basing Spring on Java SE 6.0 Standard Edition 6 or higher, and Java EE 6 or higher as well. And here we have a focus on, we support, Servlet